dear subscribers. Today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you see on your iPhone message not delivered, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, you just go to the settings, and if you're using iMessage, you can also just try to check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to find messages here in your iPhone, just tap on it. Now you can also just try to turn off iMessage and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you can also just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. And the latest option you can try also to update your system. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.